Welcome to 32 Balmoral Court, a ground floor, 3-bedroom flat, close to town centre and uber close to the railway station. Let's have a look around. So just stepped in from the front door. So you've got a communal entrance area, and then placed on the ground floor, positioned on the ground floor, you've got your private entrance door that leads into a L-shaped reception hall. So if we go to the far end first, so we've got spacious lounge and dining area. Got 2 windows, side and rear facing, so nice and light. Got access into the kitchen. And then we have one of the bedrooms. Great size, good double. You've got your bathroom. And then leading round, you've got a further bedroom. You've got storage cupboards, and then you've got your bedroom 3. Again, it's a duller day today, but this is a nice light room, and again from all aspects you've got nice views of the communal grounds, which is what makes this development so special. So, 32 Balmoral Court, 3-bedroom, ground floor flat, well positioned, well placed for commuting out, for the station, for town. Have a look at the video tour. If it ticks your boxes, give us a call, we'll get you round. Many thanks.